Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, January the 24th, 2025. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left: the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? Well, I've told you earlier, the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits, and this one has 10 printed digits. Yes, and this one will be number 9967. All right. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is: can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's a single box. There's a single box. Always a 1. Next question: do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about triple boxes? See here, triple box. There, triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be 3. The 3 should be here or there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5, 4 or a 5. Here, another triple box, and the inside box could be 4 or a 5. The other numbers could be everywhere. Okay. Next question: do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. How about no quadra boxes. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me see. No, only one. And the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the 2, and that box should be 4 or 5. In this case, 4 and a 5. Do we have more T shapes? Yeah, another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Here, another T shape. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the S construction? Let me draw the S construction here. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. S construction. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. If you flip the S or mirror the S, you will get the Z construction. It's the same shape. Alright, then the following shape. How about the L shape upside down? L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape. This one, the last shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Let me see. Yeah. These three boxes, one can be one, so the one could be here, could be there. These three boxes, one can be one, so the one could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be one. We have a double one there. If I place a one here or here, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So the one in this area could be here or there. Suppose I place the one here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also a one. But we already have a one here, so it's not a solution to place the one there. Only place left for the one in this area, supposed to be here. Alright, two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, okay. These two boxes can be one, that box can be one, so the one could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution, place the one there. If I place the one here, then this box is connected with that box, so one. But we already have a one here. So not a solution, place the one there. The only place left one should be here. These two boxes can be one, but also that box can be one. We have a double one there. If I place one here, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So the one in this area could be here, could be there. Now we have a double one here. That means that this box can be one and more. If I place a one here, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution, place the one there. The only place left the one is supposed to be there. One. Alright. These two boxes can be a one, that box can be a one. So one box left for the one in this L-shaped area is supposed to be there. This box can be two, this box can be four, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5 is connected with that box, so we saw 5. Then these two boxes can be one, so one box left for the one in this area is supposed to be here. So two boxes left in this area. One of the missing number in this area is number 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 4. These two boxes can be 4, so one box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. So two numbers left for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, okay. This box can be 1, this box can be 3, so the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this triple box for number 2 is connected with that box, so 3 and a 1. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Two numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Then. Come on. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4 is connected with that box, so we saw 4. Two numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Well, two numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 4. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. One. Here can be 1. 1. Yeah. 2 and a 3, we already have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, those two boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Okay, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, we have a double 3 there. And that box can be a 3, so one box left of 3 in this area, it's supposed to be there. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here. That means that those two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 3. So one box left with 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. I need a 2 in this area. The 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 2 should be here, because then this box is connected with that box. So 2. We already have a 2 there. So not the solution, place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5 is connected with that box. 4 and 5 is also connected 4 and 5, but we already have a 5 there, so it can be 5 anymore. This box will be a 4, is connected with that box, will be so 4 is also connected with this box, will be so 4. One box left in this area for number 5 is connected with that box, will be so 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 1. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in there, and 1 goes there. Well, I think this box should be a 3 then. I need to trigger those numbers here. Let me see. These two boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box, so 3 and 5. But we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. Double 3 there, so this box should be a 5. One box left in this area, T-shaped area for number 3 is connected with that box, so 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be 2, because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, 3 and a 1. Come on. This is taking too long. I need a 4 here. 1 and a 4. Well, I think this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 5, so 2 numbers left, 3 or a 4, 3 or 4. But if I place a 4 here, then I unclose those 2 numbers, so I cannot trigger those numbers, so it cannot be a 4. This box should be a 3. Okay, 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, it should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. This box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair, so 1 is left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, and those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 and a 4, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 4, of course, is also connected with that box. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left. Oh wait, 3 or 1. We have a 1 now, so this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 1, and the final number in this S construction for number 5. 16 minutes. Wow, we solve it again. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, it's a weekend. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.